Hey, 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 y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all. What's up? My name is Mimi's Mighty Incredible. For those of you who are new, show me, yes, little me some love. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, like, comment, share, and subscribe for my oldies but goodies. Y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. So today I'm going to show you guys a bomb twist combo. Alright, as the title says above. Alright, y'all, and the first one is the main choice. Soft as can be, 3-in-1 conditioner. This thing is a co-washer, a leave-in, a detangler. Some claims is that it gently removes impurities and product buildup. It hydrates and moisturizes the hair, and they also remove knots and tangles. This is how the product looks. Okay, and let me show you the consistency of it. Ooh, look at that. Nice and creamy. And it feels so good, y'all. And let me show you my next product. It is the Nature's Little Secret Irish Moor Styling Cream. This says that it will soothe your scalp and enhance shine. It also says that it's a light to medium hold for your hair. And it says that it will nourish, condition, and define your hair as well. Alright, let me show you guys how it looks. And let's get this consistency and the smell. It smells good, refreshing. Nuts, don't mind my top that fell. Not fruity, but it smells really good and refreshing. This stuff is thick, very, 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 very thick. And creamy, and it feels so good, y'all. So, we're gonna jump right in and do this here. I already have everything sectioned off. Everything is detangled. So I just gotta put these twists in my hair. And y'all already know what I have in this bottle. If you know what I have in this bottle, let me know in the comment section below. If you don't know, then guess, all right? So no matter what, I want a response down in the comment section, all right? All right, I'm gonna give it like 5 seconds. All right, 5 seconds up. So this is my aloe vera, my DIY. So I'm going to re-wet this hair like I always do. Because I did wash my hair yesterday, but I was tired, so I didn't do it. I just put it in these twists. And y'all, I know you can see these twists in the back of my hair, but I'm not showing y'all my hair until my hair is fully done. I did the back of my hair off camera, and I'm going to do the front, most of it on camera. Okay, let's add some more leave-in. This is what I have in my hair. Is this leave-in? And this leave-in, oh man, y'all see how it's going through this hair? I like to add extra water when I'm doing my twist. Okay. Next, I'm going to add some of this. Make sure I make this 2 or 1. That's what I'm going to add over there. And these are my twists, nice and juicy. And I am going to fold up this part. And next time you see me, I will have twist on my whole head. And I will give you my final review of this product combo. All right? Later. It's been 1 million zillion trillion years, but guess what? I am back, all right? And check out this 360 view. Look at this hair, y'all. Look at this hair. Y'all see that? I know y'all see that. I know y'all see all of this right here. All right, now let's jump into how I feel about these products. All right, first off, this Main Choice Soft As Can Be 3-in-1 conditioner. This stuff right here is the bomb. The claims that it says that it will do, it actually did to my hair. It's very, 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 very moisturizing. And I'm gonna need to get about 3 more of these. Y'all, this stuff right here is a must buy, and I'm not even exaggerating. So y'all need to go out and get this product, all right? Look at it again. Okay, y'all know how it looks. Go out and get this product, all right? And this Nature's Little Secret Irish Mold Styling Cream. Baby, this stuff packs a nice punch and is very moisturizing. I'm not even exaggerating. Like, this stuff right here, with this, they perfect for this New York City harsh winter months. All right, y'all? Y'all need to get both of these products. Like, I'm not even exaggerating. On a scale of 1 through 10 for both of them, they are a 20 out of 20. That's how good that they are. Like, y'all need to really get these products, all right? And guys, let me know in the comment section below if you use any of these products. Let me know if you plan on using them. Let me know if you like this video, and also put a nice purple heart in the comment section below so I know that y'all was in the building showing your girl some love. And I think that's about it, y'all. We're gonna talk down in the comment section, all right? So as always, what we gonna do? Well, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say love, peace, hugs, and kisses. Boo, bye.